Hey techies, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to sound better on Discord. Okay, so if your mic is not that good, okay, this is going to make it it's going to work way better for you. Okay, so go to your Discord and hit the gear setting or go to user settings on the bottom left or whatever your user settings are at. And then you're going to go to voice and video on the left side, and then make sure you already have your microphone as the microphone, okay? And then you can mic test it just to hear what's going on. Oh wait, you guys can't really. Okay, what about? Wait, just so you guys can hear what's going on. Okay, so the mic test is on, right? So that right there is the best voice ever, okay? This is voice isolation. So this is what the mic does. As you can see, if your mic's not that good, it will cut off on you because Discord just sucks and is trying to cut off all your noise, even your voice. If you go to studio, you can hear everything, even my snaps. No one wants to hear that. So that sucks too. But if you go to custom, okay, keep auto input sensitivity, but turn off echo cancellation. Turn that off, and if you turn that off and you talk and it's better, and you go to mic test and it sounds perfect, then you're good. But if it still sounds wacky, change it from crisp to standard, okay, and then try again, and maybe that'll be better for you. You can kind of hear the snapping. But if you go to none, it's kind of like studio, and you can hear a lot of noises too. So we can test that. So that's probably even worse. I think studio might be better than actually none, but keep it to crisp. Change echo cancellation off. Keep it on custom, and I think your mic is going to be way better. Or you can hear me spit bars. The cars is gonna crash into each other. Inside the crime, I'm gonna bind everything like I'm playing a porcupine. I'm playing with two rhymes. I'm playing with two times. Two times two might be four, or I'm gonna score to the back alleyway. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment if you haven't already. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.